Hello everybody at comics.org. My name is Aaron O'Brien and I'm working on an Android application named CBI. I've talked to several of you before about using the CBI data export and accessing the images of CBI for my application. I have a new version of CBI that I'm getting ready to release and wanted to run it by you guys to make sure you're okay with what I'm doing. I'm going to get rather technical in this video, so feel free to send any questions if you need any more information. You can reach me at comics@flyingspheres.com. Alright, so let's get started. This is a new installation of CBI. You can see at the bottom that there's 0 comics in our collection. I'm going to start typing in The Amazing Spider-Man, and I'm going to have a start and an end number. I think if you've seen it in my previous videos, this is not new functionality. What's going to happen is I'm going to run a query against my own servers. Now I've gone through and taken your data export, and I've processed it, and I'm running it on on Google App Engine. So that's the service that I'm hitting. So as of right now, I haven't actually talked to the GCD databases or anything. So I'm going to type in 360, and I'm just randomly picking 370. And I'm going to hit, 380, and I'm hitting the create series. I'm going to put this into quadruple time, so we don't have to go through the tedious thing of watching my little progress bar here go. So, just for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to step back, come back in, and I'm going to pull down several of the Uncanny X-Men series just so we can run through this twice. So, Uncanny X-Men. Again, at this point we have not talked to any resources from the comics.org yet. So I have my own copy of your data. Okay, again, this is quadruple time. It doesn't run that fast in the real world. So we're going to jump into Browse Collection. We're going to review the titles that we just set up. This is just CBI functionality here. Okay, so let's go look at the Uncanny X-Men. And we display all the ones we pull down. So I'll click on 275 and show you that there is no image, and these are the details that came down from my servers. Your data, my access. Again, 281, kind of the same thing. No images, anything. So here's the new features that I'm worried about. Click on Download Covers right here. And what's going to happen is I'm going to go out and hit your server. I'm going to put this is real time up to this point. I'm hitting your server, pulling down the contents of your web page. I'm running through and parsing your web page, looking for key information. In your select issue drop-down box, there is the issue ID and the issue number. So I'm running through that raw HTML, and I'm parsing it, and I'm creating URLs. I'm calling your servers again with that new image or that new URL, pulling down that content, parsing for that, looking for the image, and downloading the image as we go through this. So this is in quadruple time. This part of it was. That's why it's going so fast. It's not nearly that quickly. So we pull down 36 covers, and as this runs in real time, this is about a 4-second delay, or a 4-second time to pull down an image. But we'll go back into 277, and you can see that there is indeed a cover there where there wasn't before. So it really does work, and it works really, really well. Obviously, there's concerns about if you guys were to update your HTML, all of my parsing logic would break, but I would not expect that you guys would care about that in any way. I mean, don't change your processes because I'm accessing your HTML. I can always fix it if you guys give me permission to do this. So again, here's issue 281. So we'll step back and we'll run through this again with the Amazing Spider-Man right after we look at all the images. So real quick, I'll spin through these and show you that these are all the images that came down. It's really awesome functionality. It's really, really cool. But the concerns that I have are around bandwidth issues. I don't know what kind of hosting plan you guys are on, and if couple hundred people start downloading thousands of images at one time, what is that going to do to your costs and things like that? And anyway, quick information. So again, this is a blend. All the images are coming from you guys, but all the content is coming from my servers. So we'll do this again. So I'm going to go in. Let me show you. I'll do a view all images and show you that there's nothing. So nothing. Okay, 360. Again, same kind of deal. Just going through here, so seeing that there's nothing there to see. And let's go down here to 370. And there we go. Okay, nothing. Okay, so I'm going to click on menu. I'm going to go download covers. And we'll walk through this again. So right now, I make a request to pull down the image for the Amazing Spider-Man, and I think I just randomly grabbed one of the issue numbers. Once I have that starting issue, I can start parsing HTML, looking for the comic book ID and the comic book number, and putting those two together, I can dynamically create URLs to pull out more information. So really, I just wanted to make sure that you guys are okay with what I'm doing. So here's 370 again. View image. So if anybody on your guys' development team or anybody associated with you guys are interested, I can always use beta testers if you want to see how this is actually going to feel. You could actually be running it on an Android phone and watching your logs and see what kind of impact that's going to have. So there's 360. And we'll go back in and view all images, and again, this is just all the images. So anyway, again, you can reach me at comics@flyingspheres.com. I just wanted to run this by you guys before I release. Thanks.